Hello students, today we will learn how to multiply 2-digit, 3-digit or 4-digit numbers by 2-digit and how to multiply 3-digit numbers by 3-digit number. We will start from here 2-digit by 2-digit. In last exercise we have learned 2-digit by 1-digit only. Now how we will multiply by 2-digit? We will not multiply together. Like this is 12, maybe we know the table of 12, but we will not multiply directly by 12, but we will multiply firstly by 2 and then by 1. See how? 2 is our ones number, so we will multiply as we are doing with 2. Just forget about 1 and multiply the number by 2. 2 8s are 16, 1 carry, 2 2s are 4 and plus 1 is 5. Now this is our tens number. Now beta, in 12 this is 2 and this is 10 actually. So because we are multiplying by 10, so in last exercise we have seen whenever we multiply any number by 10, in product we also add a 0. So here also we will add a 0 because this is a tens number. Don't forget about adding 0, otherwise your multiplication will be wrong. So 1 0, then we will start multiplication. Firstly we will add a 0 here and then we will start to multiply. Now we will forget about 2 and multiply the number by this tens number, 1 number. 1 8s are 8 and 1 2s are is 2. Now what to do? These numbers we have to add. 6 and 0, 6, 5 and 8, 5 plus 8 is 13, 1 carry and 2 plus 1 is 3. This is our answer. How we have done? Once again I am revising, understand it nicely. See, there are 2 digits to multiply, but we will not multiply it together, we will multiply one by one. So firstly we will digit by first number, ones number. We will forget about the tens number and just multiply simply as we are doing from 2. 2 8s are 16, 16 6 here and 1 here for carry, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 is 5. Now, because 1 is our tens number, this is actually not only 1, this is actually 10. So, we are multiplying the number by 10, so we have to put 0 here. Don't forget about putting 0. We will firstly put 0 and then we will start multiplying again in same way that we will leave this number, we will forget about this number and multiply the number by just whatever number here is given. In our this sum 1 is given, so we will multiply by 1. 1 8s are 1 and 1 2s are 2. Both products are here. You have to write it nicely. Okay, in columns, so when you will add now, that it will be easy for you. 6 and 0 is 0, 5 plus 8 13, 3 and 1 carry and 1 and 2 is 3. Okay, next sum also we will do. 9 nines are again ones place number, we will multiply first. 9 nines are 81, 8 carry, 9 fives are 45 and 8, 53 and 5 carry, 9 ones are 9 and 5 is 14. Now what we will do? We have to put a 0 here. Then we will start multiplying. Okay. Again we have 1. So 1 9s is 9. 1 5s is 5. And 1 1s is 1. Now we will add these products and we will get our answer. 1 plus 0 is 1. 3 plus 9 is 12. So 2 here and 1 will be here. 4 and 5 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. Again 1 carry. 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 is 3. This is our answer. Okay, one more sum we will try. We will multiply it by 3 first. 3 zeros. Whenever we multiply any number by 0, we get 0 as answer. So 3 zeros are 0. 3 5s are 15 and 1 carry. 3 9s are 27 plus 1 28. What next? Yes, our 0. We have to put 0 because this is tens number. Now we will multiply it as we have done with 3. We will just forget about 3 and multiply the number by 2. 2 zeros are 0. 2 5s are 10 ka 0 and the carry we will write here. Okay, second numbers carry we have to write here. So we'll come to know that this carry is for this number and this carry was for this number. Okay, 2 5s are 10 and 1 is carry. Now 2 9s are 18 and 1 19. Okay, so what we have to do next? We have to add them. 0, 5 plus 0 is 5, 8 plus 0 is 5, 2 plus 9 is 11, 1 carry, 1 plus 1 is 2. This is our answer. Okay, now what? Now we will multiply 4-digit number with 2-digit. This is also very simple, beta. As we are doing 2-digit, we are doing 3-digit, 1 by 1 by 1 by 1. In same way, we can multiply as much digits number as much is given. It's simple because we are multiplying only 1 by 1, no? So once if you learn how to multiply and how to manage, then it is very easy to multiply any number, any digit number by 2, 3 or 4 digit number. So we will start for 4 digit to 2 digit. Okay, 6 9s are 54, 5 is carry, 6 zeros are 0 and 5, 6 2s are 12, 1 carry, 6 1s, sorry, 1 carry will be here, 6 2s are 12, 1 carry, 6 1s are 6 plus 1 is 7. Now 0 we have to put, 3 9s are 27 and 2 carry. We have to write carry above that number. 3 zeros are 0 and 2. You have to take care, you don't have to add this carry, but you have to the upper carry. 3 zeros are 0 plus 2 is 2. 3 2s are 6 and 3 1s are is 3. Now we will add these together. 4, 5 and 7, 12, 1 carry, 2 and 2, 4 plus 1, 5, 7 plus 6 is 13, 1 carry, 1 and 3 is 4. This is our answer. Isn't it easy, beta? Same way we have multiplied the 3 numbers, we will multiply the 4 numbers. Okay. Now with 3-digit number. How we will do it? Just first number we will multiply, then by second number we will multiply, and then by third number. See how we can do. Firstly, we will forget these 2 numbers and multiply with 7 only. 7 9s are 63, 6 is carry, 7 6 are 42, 42 plus 6 is 48, so 4 carry, 7 2s are 14 plus 4 is 18. This is over for one number, no? Now 2 is our tens number, so we have to put a 0 here. We will forget about 3 and 7. We will multiply by 2 only. We have to leave the 3 and 7 and we have to multiply by 2 only after putting a 0 here. 2 9s are 18 and 1 carry. 2 6 are 12 plus 1, 13 and 1 carry. And 2 2s are 4 and 1, 5. Okay. Now 3, we have to multiply by 3 and 3 is here on hundreds place. So we are actually multiplying by 300, not by 3 only. We are multiplying this number by 300, and whenever we multiply by hundreds, what we do? We do 2 zeros. We put 2 zeros in front of the product. So we will write here 2 zeros. You have to take care. Here we will just simply multiply. If for tens number we have to put 1 0. For hundreds number we have to put 2 zeros here. Okay. After putting the zeros only you will start multiplying. 3 9s are 27. 2 carry. Iski carry सबसे ऊपर. 3 6 are 18 plus 2 20 and 2 carry, and then 3 2s are 6 and 2 8. Now what to do? Addition. 3 plus 0 is 3. 8 plus 8 is 16. 1 carry. 8 plus 3 11. 11 plus 7 18. 18 plus 1 is 9. 1 carry. 1 and 1 2. 2 and 5 is 7. And only 8 is here. So we will write 8 downside. Did you understand? In this way, we will multiply 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number by 2-digit number and 3-digit number by 3-digit number. Thank you.